Today we're in our corn patch. So you planted your seed, you've watered your corn. Now how do you know when your corn's ready to pick? Picking your corn is an easy process. First thing you want to do is check the condition of the corn silks. They should be dry and clumpy. The next thing you'll want to do is remove some of the husk to expose the kernels beneath. Pressing your thumb into one of the kernels, you're looking for a milky white substance to be released. When you see that, you'll know that your corn is ripe. Let's take a closer look at this process. We'll be using a spoon for better visibility. And that's what you want to see. This tells you that your corn is ripe and ready to be picked. When picking your corn, what you're going to want to do is give it a slight twist. Now, as you're twisting it, pull down. That will safely remove it from the stalk. There's your corn. Look at how beautiful that is. I can almost taste the flavors now. The butter, the salt, the pepper. Steaming it up on the stove to eat for dinner. Thanks for watching Homesteaders Freedom. Take care.